Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the legality of pornography in Thailand. We've done other videos on this channel. I've discussed this at length, but I felt, especially as we're closing out the year here, I kind of thought that, hey, I probably need to do some slightly redundant videos because there's a lot of newer viewers that really haven't gone back into the back catalog. And I do a lot of videos where I kind of just do that topic and then I sort of say to myself, well, that topic's done and we can move on. But, newer viewers aren't sort of aware of all this stuff. So I do I think probably as things move forward, I'm going to try to keep it as fresh as I absolutely can, but there's going to be some material, some subject matter, if you will, that I will probably be returning to because there's more interest in it, or people don't know, or they don't know that I've already talked about it. And where I've done so, I'll try to put links in the description back to prior videos, prior discussions I've done on these same topics, albeit from a slightly different perspective. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post. It's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, "Rich Couple Arrested for Operating Gambling Pornography Websites." Quoting directly, Crime Suppression Division police have arrested a wealthy computer programmer, his actress wife, and another man for allegedly operating a major gambling website and a pornographic website. So, a couple of things to unpack here. Pornography is illegal in Thailand, expressly illegal in Thailand. In fact, they blur images on the television programming that are deemed to be pornographic. So yeah, it's very conservative. As I've discussed in other videos, there is a notion that I like to call conservative tolerance that Thais sort of practice, wherein it's basically, look, we are conservative. 97% of Thailand probably heavily disagrees with pornography, for example. But at the same time, they can be tolerant of other people's lifestyles without expressly passing legislation that legalizes it. And that's kind of where pornography sits. Now, what I would say is, we've discussed the issue of gambling before, and in a similar vein. And when I was discussing that, I sort of said, hey, look, you got to understand, gambling is being discussed legislatively. They're talking about it on a policy level, about the possibility of legalizing it, not re-legalizing, but legalizing gambling in Thailand. That's not the case with pornography in any way. There's no discussion out there that I see to change the laws on pornography. Quite honestly, I doubt it would happen. I don't think there's really any kind of a major movement anywhere that would be in favor of that occurring. So I just don't think it's likely to happen. So understand that. Pornography is illegal in Thailand. Making it, producing it, distributing it, anything, all illegal in Thailand, and can lead to very stiff criminal penalties.